There's an island at the heart of the Philippine archipelago dubbed the Galapagos of Asia. Its old-growth forest is considered one of the most diverse and unspoiled ecosystems. This island is home to one of the arduous and technically challenging mountains to climb in the Philippines. It is also here that you can find one of the cleanest rivers in the whole country. Here is Sibuyan Island, and this is my adventure. My trip to Sibuyan is not where I planned to be, but here I was, traveling the roads of this quaint island only a few travelers have the courage or interest to explore. These roads take me to exotic locations and enchanting waterfalls hidden somewhere in the last jungle. I feel I have ended up where I intended to be. Without a doubt, unplanned travels always makes the best adventure.